Elevating your social status isn't solely about material wealth or fame. It's often the uncommon habits that set you apart. Today we'll explore 5 rare habits that can significantly enhance your social standing, helping you stand out in a crowd and garner admiration from those around you. Number 5, active listening. Active listening is more than just a buzzword. It's a skill that can transform your relationships and elevate your social interactions. Unlike passive listening, where you're simply waiting for your turn to speak, active listening is about truly engaging with the speaker. Imagine a conversation where you're not just hearing the words, but understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. When you actively listen, you show respect and genuine interest, making the speaker feel valued and understood. This deep level of connection is what builds strong relationships and earns you admiration from others. So how can you become a better active listener? Start by giving your full attention to the speaker, maintaining eye contact and avoiding distractions. Show that you're listening by nodding or making small verbal cues. Finally, paraphrase or summarize what the speaker has said to demonstrate understanding. By mastering the art of active listening, you'll not only enrich your relationships but also enhance your social standing. Number 4, consistent reliability. In a world filled with uncertainties, being someone others can consistently count on is a rare gem. This trait goes beyond simply showing up. It's about following through on promises and commitments, no matter how big or small. When you consistently deliver on your word, you build a reputation for dependability that sets you apart. Think about it. How do you feel about someone who always keeps their promises? You respect and trust them. It's human nature to gravitate towards people who are reliable because they give us a sense of security and assurance. Being reliable doesn't just enhance your personal relationship, it also elevates your social standing. When others know they can depend on you, they're more likely to seek your company and value your opinions. You become a pillar of trust in your social circles, someone people look up to and respect. So the next time you make a commitment, whether it's meeting a friend for coffee or completing a project at work, remember the importance of consistent reliability. It's not just about keeping your word, it's about building a reputation that speaks volumes about who you are as a person. Number 3, humility and grace. Humility and grace are not just virtues, they're secret weapons in the game of social dynamics. Picture this. You've achieved a major success. You could flaunt it, boast about it, and make sure everyone knows. But what if you choose a different path? What if you show humility, acknowledging that while you're proud of your achievement, you're also aware of the effort and support it took to get there? This approach sets you apart in a profound way. It shows that despite your success, you remain grounded and approachable, someone others can relate to. People are naturally drawn to those who don't let success get to their heads. It's like a magnetism that pulls others towards you. Moreover, how you handle praise and criticism speaks volumes about your character. Responding to praise with humility, thanking others for their support and contribution earns you respect and admiration. Similarly, facing criticism with grace, accepting feedback, and using it constructively shows maturity and strength of character. In essence, humility and grace aren't just about being polite. They're about building meaningful connections and earning the respect of those around you. So next time you achieve success, consider the power of humility and grace in shaping how others perceive you. Number 2 is thoughtful generosity. Generosity is often equated with giving money or material possessions. However, thoughtful generosity transcends mere monetary value. It's about offering your time, advice, and support selflessly, with no expectation or reciprocation. This powerful habit not only benefits others, but also significantly raises your social capital. Thoughtful generosity begins with empathy, being able to understand and share the feelings of others. By noticing and addressing others' needs, you demonstrate empathy and kindness, which are highly valued traits in any social setting. Whether it's lending a listening ear to a friend in need, offering guidance to a colleague facing a challenge, or volunteering your time for a worthy cause, these acts of thoughtful generosity leave a lasting impact. What sets thoughtful generosity apart is a sincerity behind action. It's not about seeking recognition or gaining favor. It's about genuinely wanting to make a positive difference in someone else's life. This authenticity is what resonates with people and enhances your reputation. Practicing thoughtful generosity is not only a way to help others, but also a means to elevate your social standing. By embodying this habit, you not only enrich the lives of those around you, but also build strong, meaningful relationships that can last a lifetime. Number 1, continuous self-improvement. Embarking on a journey of continuous self-improvement is like giving yourself a gift that keeps on giving. It's not just about acquiring new skills or enhancing your health. It's a mindset, a commitment to evolving into the best version of yourself. Learning new skills is a prime example. Whether you're mastering a new language, picking up a musical instrument, or diving into a new field of study, each new skill broadens your horizons and enriches your life. Not only does this boost your confidence, but it also keeps your mind sharp and adaptable. Improving your health is another crucial aspect of self-improvement. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest not only benefit your physical health, but also have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. When you prioritize your health, you're investing in a happier, more energetic you. Developing emotional intelligence is perhaps the most transformative form of self-improvement. Understanding and managing your emotions, empathizing with others, and navigating social situations with ease not only enhance your personal relationships, but also make you a more effective leader and communicator. Continuous self-improvement isn't just about bettering yourself, it's about inspiring others. When others see your dedication to personal growth, they admire and respect you as a role model. So embrace the journey of self-improvement, for it is the path to unlocking your true potential. Incorporating these rare habits into your daily life can pave the way for a remarkable transformation in how others perceive you. By actively listening, being reliably consistent, showing humility, practicing thoughtful generosity, and investing in continuous self-improvement, you not only elevate your own status but also inspire those around you. Remember, social status is not just about how others see you, but also about how you see yourself. So embrace these rare habits and watch as they not only elevate your social status, but also enrich your life in countless ways. Like and subscribe for more tips on personal development and social success.